Flashback.
So right now we're about to head to a meet. I'm not in my car. I'm about to show y'all what I'm in, bro. It's low-key nasty. Yeah, that's all y'all getting, bro. That's all y'all getting. Oh, damn. Push the button. Push the button. Push the button. Oh, it's still loud. Oh, he's recording me watching him. Damn, Big Bertha. Yo, so we back. I don't know if it's gonna be like a new video or an old video. Did they call my number? Nah. But we're at In-N-Out right now. Y'all watched last video. At the end of last video, I told y'all we got some runs. So that's what we're waiting for right now, man. Sorry, y'all. I'm over here still trying to get used to it. That shit. Yo, don't interrupt my video. Don't interrupt. But yeah, man, so we're at In-N-Out right now. We're about to get some food, some nice little grub type joint. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm sitting in passenger. And it's gonna be so, the runs we are going to is like a little private type. Bro, somebody over there going stupid. Little Miata type. But yeah, man, so the runs we are going to is private, but they're good runs, like 1,000 horsepower runs type. So that being said, man, I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all this food because I know it's gonna be smacking. I haven't had In-N-Out in a minute, so I know it's gonna be smacking. So y'all stay tuned for that. Hey, I might keep the beer. Keep the beer. What's that shit that we TikTok? They y'all still got this doggone 4x4 with the fries. You know I had to put the salt on it. Boom. All right, y'all. So just like that, man, we done made it to the spot. Like I said, it's super low key, bro. We got people spread out everywhere. But it's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a great night, bro. We got some fast boys put up. Just seen a big turbo doggone Supra. Y'all seen last video. Look at that joint over there with the nice little covered grills type. Come on, focus for the key. Oh, damn, that shit. Got a couple cars, man. Everybody spread out. Like I said, got an RT. Couple nice little things. Got a little something over there with a tire type. That GT500. Now it's not the other one from the last meet type joint, but it's all good. We got the RS3, very clean. Oh, my boy in there watching TikTok type. See the GT500. Oh, and the SS. Can't forget the SS with the nice little wing on that thing. Another SS. Sheesh. All right, now I got the truck. You know how I feel about the trucks. Oh, we got the Scat right here. Very nice. Jeez, my boy got them lights up front type. All right, man. Jeez, okay. Gonna be a nice little something. Nice little something. Got the choppy boy right here. Got the Mustang right here. Oh, snap. I think he a little. Oh, damn. Oh, brother. Oh, damn. If y'all know, y'all know. Jeez. Okay, brother. Got another one right here. Carbon hood on the S650. Oh, I like it. Look here, I like that. Okay, bro. Oh, I like that. Okay. But yeah, this one right here. Oh, my man. Jeez, it's gonna be a good night. I don't know where that big turbo. Oh, there you go. There you went. There you go, right there. Yes, sir. The big turbo joint y'all seen last meet. Oh snap! I hear some voice pulling in. Couple bikes and everything. It's gonna be a nice little thing, bro. Very huge for a private meet for sure. Jeez, we got it. Couple of Evos pulling in. Very clean. Oh, 3 of them actually. Nice, very nice, very nice. Got this white boy right here. Not white boy, but white Camaro. Nice little tire on that thing. Okay, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, whoa, hold on now. Got too much dip on your chip. But yeah, 3 of them things. But yeah, man, we just waited for them to get started, bro. They got like a couple more people, and then we going to another spot. They said they got more people over there, so it's just gonna be crazy, bro. So that being said, man, we about to get this thing popping, as y'all can hear, and I'm gonna see y'all on when we get to the action, man. We gotta get to the action, man. Shit. Yeah, no way it's raining right now, bro. It was literally 150 million degrees today and it's raining right now, bro. What the heck, bro? This is not real. Yeah, we got CHP and it's raining, bro. Yeah, I think tonight's a bust. Not gonna hold you, man. Yeah, it is raining. What the heck? Yeah, tonight's done, man. So sorry. Damn. Yeah, y'all, after that pool, man, it literally started pouring down raining, bro, and we are not gonna do that. So that's gonna be the end of this video, man.